This is a super fast walkthrough on installing War of the Walkers mod on 7 Days to Die. Please make sure that you pause the video at any point so that you can keep up, because I'm not wasting anybody's time here. I don't know how long your download takes, don't know what your internet speed is, so make sure that you pause during download as well. So to install, you can either go directly to the website, or you can click on the download link that we have on the details page. I'm going to go to the website, and then you just scroll down to this is the client file. Click on download, and then your download will be there. So just go ahead and click on the link and open the file. There's the file. Right click on it and just extract here. While that's extracting, open up your Steam and right click on 7 Days to Die and go to Properties. Then you're going to go to Local Files, Browse Local Files, and that'll open up your install folder for 7 Days to Die. Once the extraction is complete, which mine just completed, go ahead and double click on that folder to open it up, and you will see 3 folders here. Highlight those, and you can press Control-C on your keyboard, or you can move it out of the way and just drag and drop the files into the folder. And that's going to move all of those files in there. If it asks you if you want to overwrite anything, which it will, go ahead and check that you want to do it for everything and hit yes, and then it's going to come up again and tell you that there's a ton of files that it wants to overwrite. You're going to move and replace, and do that for all of the conflicts, and then just hit move and replace. And that's it. You now have the mod installed. The only thing that is left, because this does include things that have changed, such as a much larger backpack, you will need to launch the launcher. And so you're just going to hit Show Game Launcher, hit play, and then turn off EAC, and then hit Save as Default and run. That's it. The game's going to run, and you can enjoy. See you on the server.